Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations between two operands. It includes the set of operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, floor division, exponential operator. So we are going to see all these operators one by one with example. So let's continue or let's move to the ideally shell. First, the addition operator. It is used to perform a quick addition on different operands. So we can simply even type the digits so that we can perform the addition. Or we can take the variable with the assignment as some value which is integer, and then let's have their addition. So we can perform this also. And one more benefit related to this shell, I will show you here again. So we can directly even type a plus b. So this is a nice interface where we can use this ideally. One more time I will show you about this ideally. So it is Python's integrated development and learning environment. So for beginners, we will always recommend you to start with this ideally shell. Next is subtraction. It is used to subtract the second operand from the first operand. So let's see the a and b variables with example. So simply say print a minus b. So this is subtraction. We can also do like this, b minus a on shell directly. So this is possible. The next is multiplication. It is used to multiply one operand with other. So simple example, a multiply b. That's it. You can also use with the print statement. Now if we do this function type a multiply b, then the return value which is 100, it is in the form of integer. So you can quickly check the type of data of these operations. Then the next is reminder. So it returns the reminder after dividing the first operand by the second operand. So let's see the example. Say this a and b. So simply say a mod b, and the reminder is, let's see, it is 10. So you can even quickly check this value. The next is exponent, which is double star. So let's apply this exponent. So it is an exponent operator represent or represented as it calculates the first operand power to the second operand. So let's see the example. A double star b. So value will be very big. So for the simplicity, simple example, 2 double star 4. So now your idea about this exponent operator is clear. Then next is floor division, or even before floor division we will see the simple division. So simply a divided by b. So when we apply division, we always get it into the floating type. So you can check the type of value is a by b we are getting is the float. So even you can assign the values to any variable. So like result equals to a by b. And if you check the type of this result, it will be float. So keep a habit of using this type, id, all these operators. So id of a and id of b, these are the addresses. So this is how you can use these different built-in functions whenever you are a beginner. Now let's see the floor division, this one. So it gives the floor value of the quotient produced by dividing two operand, but check it carefully, a by for floor division b. So it is 2, and here it is 2.5. So if you check the type of this floor division, type of this is integer, and before this it was a floating type. So you can have a quick note about this division and floor division. So operator always perform the floating point arithmetic when we use division, and it always return a float value. But in floor division can perform both the floating point and integral arithmetic. If arguments are in integer type, then the result is integer type. And if at least one argument is float type, then result is float type. So always remember this. Again, one more important point to remember here, we will see with example. We can use plus and multiplication operator on string also. So let's see with the simple example, a plus this b, instead of let's say abcd plus bcd. So it will perform the concatenation. So this plus operator, which is arithmetic, on string it performs the concatenation. And multiplication, let's say a is string, okay, and multiply 5, not this way, a is string multiply 5, so it repeats it. So if similarly this plus is the operator for the concatenation, and the star or multiplication operator, it simply repeats the number of times. So for example, if we give any name like this, I'm adding here underscore for the understanding purpose, and let's say 5. So if 5 times it is get repeated. So this is also a nice feature which you can use. So string concatenation operator and string multiplication operator. Always remember this.